Like a Hellcat.
Hello friends, hope you are doing great. Today in Prajwal's Platter, we will look about the gender identification of budgies. I am Prajwal. Welcome to Prajwal's Platter. At first, we will see a male budgie. A male budgie will always have a blue color on its ear. A sear is nothing but the part above the beak like a nose structure. This is a male budgie. See the above example for male budgies. Observe clearly the given images, especially at the sear. Now we will look at a female budgie. A female budgie are in variant sear colors, especially white, brown, chocolate brown and white with blue shading. Now see above the given example images. Observe the photos clearly. Okay, that's all folks. Thank you. Be safe and don't forget to subscribe.